Hi guys, so I came to visit the train station at Afienya, Mataheko. It was an unplanned visit, but then I had fun. I came to meet an amazing people. I made inquiries on how they operate, and they told me they work on Mondays to Fridays. So you guys should come here and visit, okay? Thank you so much and stay tuned. I will put the videos in there for you to watch. Make sure you watch it and visit us, okay? Bye bye, see you. Look at me, I'm saying come and visit us as if I work with them. Anyway, if you are coming from Accra or Tema and you are using the Michelle Camp Road, when you get to the toll booth, you use the road on your right and then go straight, and you see the train station right in front of you. From the junction to the train station is not that far. It's a 1-minute drive and a 3-minute walk. And this is me and my mom walking towards the train station. We use a longer route because I wanted to take a video of where the train has been passing, and yeah, that's why I used the longer route. But then when you get to the junction and go straight, it's that simple. So yeah, when we got there, the people were so nice. I did my card, I loaded my wallet, and I can't wait to visit there again to board the train. It will actually be my first time ever to board a train, guys, and I'll go there with my family to try it. So you should also try and visit. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And let me know what you think about this Akufo-Addo bringing Europe to Ghana. What do you all think? Anyway, visit and have fun. It will be such a great experience. I can't wait. I can't wait to board on this train, guys. Bye-bye. See you soon. Enjoy the view. Hello guys, so this is an unplanned visit to the train station at Afienya, Mataheko. I lured my mom to follow me. So from our place to this place is not that far. So when we came to buy something, and I told her she should come with me as I visit the new train station at Afienya. Say stay tuned, guy. I'm going to make inquiries on days they operate and yeah, the time as well. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye.
Officer, ukutwa mikana mise shoe. You can't shoe. Air condition.
Oh.
Obianso shoe, one man, one.
Oh.